Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn additional to the FreeCAD sketching tool. Also, you learn about the application of FreeCAD tools like additive, Loft, Pocket, Mirror, and Fillet. Today, we create step-by-step this 3D part in FreeCAD. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D model. The sketch of position 1 also looks like this. There are two options to start FreeCAD workspace. Go simply to one of the new empty FreeCAD file button and start the workspace. Insert New Body and rename it. These are the dimensions for sketch 1. Insert the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the Polyline tool and create roughly the shape of the profile. And we will put the dimensions later. Now, start to assign the dimensions. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 17 millimeters. In this step, we mirror the created part about the YZ plane. Activate the Mirror tool and select the YZ plane. In step 3, we create the position 3 on XY plane. Insert New Sketch and select the XY plane. Choose Centered Rectangle. Constrain the rectangle to the origin. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it to the thickness of 16 millimeters. In Step 4, we remove material from the created solid part. Select the top surface and insert new sketch. Let us create reference curves from the existing part. Activate the slot tool and sketch it on the center axis. Put the dimensions for the radius and length of the slot. Constrain center of the curve to the reference line. Now, remove the unnecessary curve. Join the endpoints of the two lines with a line. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the pocket tool. The depth of the pocket is 12 millimeters. Let us continue with the next step. Insert new sketch. Select the YZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool. Make it vertical. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Now, constrain the sketch to the end point of the reference line. Now, the sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Our profile is ready and we make it solid pad. Select the sketch and extrude it by 35 mm, symmetrical to the middle plane. In this step, we create a sketch for the hole on the top of this surface. Select the surface on which the circle contour will be created and then the sketch tool. Extract the reference edge for dimensioning. Create the circle on the vertical axis. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. Select the dimension type, the option tool. In step number 7, we have to create conic contour with 2 sketches on different planes. Select the first sketch surface and then activate the sketch tool. Extract the reference edge. Create the circle on the center axis. Constrain the circle to the reference line. Trim unnecessary curve and join the endpoints of the curve with the line. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, we start with the second sketch. Again, select the surface and then activate the sketch tool. The procedure is the same as the previous sketch. Both sketches are full constrained. Now, select the first sketch and activate the Additive Loft tool. Click the Add Section option and then select the second sketch. The final step is to create a fillet. The 3D solid part is completed. Now I will add material to the solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.